meet magical souls, and welcome back to another magical video. I'm so excited for the month of July to open the Witch's Bounty box. Be sure to check them out, guys. They're linked in the comment section and description box down below. The Witch's Moon has such amazing things, and I'm always so excited every month to open their boxes. Everything's like packaged so good, and it smells so witchy and yummy. So there's like all these goodies in here, guys. What is the theme for the month, which is always my favorite part to read. The theme of this month, guys, is the removal of obstacles. It says, as we continue our path of growth, death, and rebirth, we are always looking for inspirations and wisdom from gods and goddesses. Through bountiful altars and offerings to deep study and ritual, we call upon these patrons for their deep understanding and intuition. These insights become so deeply connected and intertwined with the perceptions we continually peer through. As seekers of knowledge, we find ourselves calling upon the guidance of specific deities for different challenges that we may face. It is within this consistent journey for wisdom that we find the most prominent and powerful insights. In this very special collection, we work with a very sacred deity to assist us in clearing and removing obstacles along our journey. The magical items in this box are as follows, and I'm seeing Ganesha on here, so what? Are we getting a cool crystal Ganesha, guys? Oh, this is so pretty. This artwork of Ganesha Bodhisattva. How divine, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited to see what's in here, and my brother was like recording me with the fire stick, so that's why I was making a face earlier. But let's see what the pendant is, guys. Oh my god, no way, this is so cool. And there's a blue crystal on top. It says sterling silver pendant, blue topaz with carved quartz. This is so cute, guys. This is a little carved Ganesha pendant. This just looks so magical, and I'm so happy to have a little Buddha one. This is so beautiful. I love it. Thank you so much, Witch's Moon. So we'll read a little bit about who Ganesha is and his mantra and all that good stuff. It's Om Gam Ganapatehe Namaha, and he's the remover of obstacles, guys. He's one of them. So Ganesha is said to be one of the most well-known and worshipped deities in Hindu pantheon, continuing to hold many devotees and adorers to this day. The earliest mention of Ganesha dates back to 3000 BC, since the times of the Indus Valley civilization. Many transformations and incarnations of Ganesha have been recorded and popularized through the centuries. Each incarnation bears many stories and specific symbolism to accompany him during that time. As a remover of obstacles, Ganesha said to not only clear the path before you, but to protect and bring prosperity to you. And there's so much amazing knowledge on Ganesha within here, guys. But something I want to say too is that I learned something that my mom told me about Shiva, and Shiva is Ganesha's dad. Is that when Shiva was crying with tears of joy, his tears made this Rakasha tree fruit grow, and it's a blueberry like that Buddha that's blue, and then it's like a sacred seed, so when you wear it, it's like his aura, his energy protects you. And I'm getting one of those Rakasha mala, guys, and I'm gonna make them into bracelets to wear for me and my family. So I thought it was super neat hearing about that Hindu energy, gonna work with it. And then I get sent this, and it's a blue topaz when that Rakasha fruit is blue, guys. It's just so neat how the universe is working. And I'll read to you what blue topaz is about too. It says, blue topaz on top of this pendant. Blue topaz is a wonderful and direct stimulator of the mind, and has been referred to as carrying fire of the mind. Within its energies, a very thoughtful stone, blue topaz urges us to speak more knowledge from everything around us. This beautiful stone reminds us consistently be reevaluating our current situation, urging us to always look for the best way to perform tasks and approach challenges. Through deep study and information gathering, blue topaz pushes us towards deeper enlightenment. As you wear this pendant, allow your thoughts and actions to line up with your spiritual perceptions. Know that through your best and well-informed efforts, you will continue to push through any obstacle that may stand before you. And what else is in here, guys? There is a little necklace that you can use with the Ganesha pendant. There is some magical incense. This is what I've been hearing. It's called clearing, guys. So this is so cool to help you remove all obstacles along your path. Oh my gosh, this smells so like Hindu, like Indian, like, oh, that smells so good, guys. That scent is gonna be amazing to help me clear stuff. It smells very true to that like Buddha Ganesh energy. And in the Asian culture, he's considered a bodhisattva, guys. Oh, this is a pretty stone. I wonder if this blue topaz too. This is fuchsia kyanite. To accompany you on your path, we have included a piece of fuchsia kyanite Carry this stone without you or your day or place upon your altar to benefit from its wonderful ability to release any blockages you may have. So how pretty, I don't have this stone. So this is to help you release blockages and stuff, guys. Super cute. I'm actually carrying a crystal in my pocket I was using when I'm at work, and it's just a little rose quartz heart I got from a previous Witch's Moon box, so I can't wait to work with this stone next. And Ganesha to help me remove any obstacles, guys. And it looks like there is a couple things left within this awesome box. It looks like there's a ritual body oil, a cool potion, and a spell candle. So let's see what this little potion is. This is the Ganesha Magical Anointing Oil, guys. And ooh, I see sage in here. I see a piece of clear quartz. So this is going to help you remove some obstacles. Ooh. And this smells so witchy, guys. It smells good though. This smells yummy. This has sage in it. It's going to help us clear away all those obstacles. And I feel like we got a little blue truth candle too, guys. Throat chakra energy. Like, the whole theme of this box has that blue energy. And I just love it so much, guys. I'm just so excited. Everything is so amazing. I'm just so ecstatic and happy about this because Ganesha is an amazing Ascended Master to work with. He helps you remove obstacles, and another one is Amitabha. His mantra is Om Amidevase, and he's another good one. But I'm just so happy because I was recently, like I told you about those Rakasha beads and the story about that. Gonna work with that energy. I ordered the beads, and it's just so neat how the universe works. So thank you so much to the Witch's Moon for such an amazing subscription box. Be sure to check out their moon market down in the comment section down below, guys. Or get their amazing box like I got, which is their bounty one, where you get an amazing jewelry pendant. They're just amazing. Let them know that I sent you guys. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications in the comment section down below. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And like always, from heaven to earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, may you always be blessed and rejuvenated in her loving embrace. May it be as above and so below. Blessed be. Merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again, magical souls. Blessed be.